Now here's a root pass on 6-inch Schedule 40 carbon steel pipe with the 045 SuperArc L59 wire. Running STT surface tension transfer mode. As you can see, I'm wearing the Tillman 750M gloves. These are my favorite gloves overall for stick and MIG. So once I'm done with the root, I'm going to show you the time it took, our actual arc time, and then you will see the parameters on the STT mode that's set up for our welding procedure specification. So as you can see, the elapsed time is 48 seconds for the root, 120 kilojoules, 180 on the wire speed, and then the voltage is around 17.5 to 18.5 volts. There's the one-time 360-degree crane. Now I will be putting down a cap over the top of that root pass. Rather, there will be a fill pass and then a cap. My apologies. Right here you can see I was adjusting the speed, the rotation speed. We have it dialed in to where we know exactly what rotation speed is the optimal fill and cap rotation speed. You'll notice a couple of times I will pause the positioner if the rotation speed is going too fast. But I'd rather be going too fast and be able to stop than to be going too slow and have the puddle fall down. There's more spatter than normal on this pass. It looks like I need to clean out my nozzle, so you will notice when we do some 8-inch, I'll put a bigger nozzle on there as well, as you'll see a lot less spatter, a lot more consistent arc puddle. So as you notice, there was 2 full rotations. One rotation was for the fill pass, and the second rotation was for the cap pass, done all at once without stopping. Now with the Lincoln L59 SuperArc wire, you can go right over the top of the silicone, or the silica that was burned before. It'll just rise to the top of the puddle of your new puddle. And you can see 2 minutes and 45 seconds elapsed, 235 on the wire feed speed, and then it's around 25 to 26 volts. And that you can see right there how the silica lands on the side of the puddle instead of in the middle.